안녕하세요. 림페이시 싱가포르 남자입니다. 네, 안녕하세요, 여러분들. So here I am in lovely Istanbul and just a hillside terrace in a beautiful autumn day. It's beautiful autumn leaves turning yellow. Such beauty, right? Such bliss and joy just standing here. And that's happiness. Happiness is actually a really simple thing. If you excuse me, if you stop creating all kinds of suffering for yourself, happiness and bliss is so simple. And one of those things that people do to create suffering for themselves is really material things. You know, I live an extremely dematerialized life, meaning, you know, I don't have a lot of things that people fight for today. I don't have a branded watch. In fact, I don't even have a watch. I use my phone for as long as it works. So I'm still using a 6 years old Samsung phone. The last phone broke on me, so I got a 6-year-old phone which still works. You know, people ask me, why don't I get a better camera since I'm a YouTuber? No, because this works. So even if the quality is like slightly worse, to me, I don't really mind as long as it works, you know. I don't wear any branded clothes. I don't have a car. I don't buy the latest iPhone just because everybody else is. Basically, when you stop chasing after the material things only because other people are having it. So the only reason, like, as long as the reason why you're getting something is not just because other people say it's better, other people have it, I must have it, you get rid of a lot of stress in your life. To me, I only buy whatever I need and I only replace whatever is broken. I don't ever buy things that is the hype, and I don't ever replace things that are not yet broken. Yeah. And so things that I use tends to last a really long time. Even my clothes, some of my clothes are 10, 15 years old, you know. So that's how minimalist my lifestyle is. And I have no stress. It's such a stress-free way. You know, a lot of you come to me saying that, oh, I'm so stressed out, you don't know how hard we need to work just to keep up with the expenses. And then when they say that, I look at their watch, oh, a Breitling. And then I look at their phone, oh, the latest iPhone. When you're like that, honestly, you have no rights to even complain to anyone saying that you're stressed out, that life is hard. You have simply no rights to. As long as you're chasing after the rainbow, after the latest hypes, then you have honestly no rights to complain about anything. That's the harsh truth, you know. Until you really clean up your desires and stop creating this kind of unnecessary suffering for yourself, until you do that, you really have no rights to complain about life being hard. Yeah. And honestly, you see, this kind of things, right, are only meaningful when you have someone to show to. Now imagine how, like, okay, let's say you're wearing your favorite Breitling watch right now. Now, how special does it feel if you're wearing a Breitling watch in the middle of a desert with not a human soul within 100 miles, nobody to show to? Let's say you're alone on the moon. How meaningful is that flashy new car? How meaningful is that flashy new iPhone? Not to mention that there's no connection. How meaningful is that watch? How meaningful is that branded this, that? When there's nobody to show to, these things suddenly lose their meaning, right? That should tell you something about what you're really buying, you know. You're just really buying something to show people. And the day you start to learn that what people think about what you do or wear or own, honestly, serves no meaning in your own life. It doesn't make your life better in any way, in any existential way. You're just mind fucking yourself. When you understand that, suddenly you're liberated. Suddenly you're liberated from the endless need to buy this, need to buy that, need to replace this, need to replace that, and therefore every month your few $1,000s all goes into that. You see? Just be aware that sometimes what you think you want may not be what you really want. Maybe just you're just influenced by other people. When you're aware of this, you'll feel a lot less compelled to spend your hard-earned money and therefore create more suffering for yourself to have to earn more money just to keep up with whatever other people are saying that you need. Yeah, I hope this helps. Oh, looking bad today. Beautiful place, nice sunshine here in Istanbul. See you guys. Annyeong.